Hello, I'm Ned Vanderpool, Fire Chief for the Marysville Fire District, and I would like to speak to you a little bit about a ballot measure you'll see on the August 1st election. It's an Emergency Medical Services Levy, or EMS levy, and it helps fund some of the most important services we provide to our community.
Put a blood pressure cuff on this arm, okay?
We answer more medical calls every day than any other type of emergency.
Stop CPR.
Everything from cardiac arrest to car crashes to someone falling in your home or feeling ill. The EMS levy on the ballot would replace the two existing EMS levies in Marysville and Fire District 12 with just one levy. Restore the levy to the same rate previously approved by voters, which is 50 cents for every $1,000 of property value. And it would allow us to maintain the highest quality emergency medical care for you and your family. We're sharing this information with you because we would like you to understand what's on the ballot and know exactly how your tax dollars support emergency care for your family, yourself, and others. And if you still have questions, please contact us to make sure they get answered. You may visit our website, call us, or send us an email. And overall, I'd like to say thank you for trusting us with your family's emergency needs.